Welcome to another meal preparation episode where we will be making a beautiful tomato and coconut pasta that's great for your health, great for your wallet, great for the gym and easy to prepare. Start off by peeling and chopping 4 cloves of garlic. Whack that oven onto medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add your chopped garlic now, and remember, only let it sizzle at medium heat for around 20 seconds. You don't want to overcook your garlic here or it will taste bitter and it will ruin the dish. Whack in a tin and a half of beautiful ripe peeled plum tomatoes or chopped tomatoes. Follow that up with a whole tin of coconut milk. This will give it that luscious, creamy texture and beautiful taste. Now it's time to season your sauce with salt and black pepper to taste. Add sea salt and mix into your boiling water. I'm using whole wheat pasta here, but you can use stuff like lentil pasta, you can use gluten-free pasta, any pasta of your choice, and 500 grams. Finally, once you've cooked your pasta, I recommend a minute below the time on the packets. Add it to your sauce and stir until it combines beautifully. When it's all combined, split the dish into 4 equal portions and add 100 grams of chicken breast, that's seasoned chicken breast, with 30 grams of mature cheddar cheese to each individual portion. Remember, if you're vegetarian, you can use vegetarian sausage. If you're vegan, you can use something like seasoned tofu. You can keep these in the fridge or in the freezer. In the fridge for about 4 days, and I would freeze for up to 3 months, and you can reheat from frozen, which is very convenient on the go. And there you have it, a pasta you think is a treat. It tastes so good. But guys, if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, as 90% have not subscribed. Also guys, here's the macros for this food so you can see how many calories are in each portion. Much love, see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.